you are going to use it to that.
Correct.
That's two particular thing. Now, what this is a total cost, which if I have placed it in one figure, that may be looking pretty high on the high side. But if we divide it into various modules or various, I mean, I may call it phases also, that we'll first build up this thing, then this and that, and if we divide it into different modules, then maybe it may make better sense. And
Correct.
certainly I can look into the cost structure, which the way
Okay.
I have calculated it, I'll revisit that cost and
Okay.
see. Uh, Ideally, it's a good, pretty good subject to work on, and
Right.
I have my personal experience to work on a similar subject. So it's in my interest area to be associated with you guys and do some good work together.
Correct.
And but one thing, like if there are three people in a way bidding for it, uh, as far as you must have judged it by uh, the document which I have produced and shared with you, the concept which I have imbibed based on our discussion and all that.
Hmm.
Where do we stand as far as that? Just professional to professional talk. It is not going to really keep. I mean, cost I'll definitely revisit.
Oh, I understand. So, in regards to the document that was submitted, and as far as like the purpose and whatnot, that proposal that was submitted, like everything is fine. The key points, those things were hit and whatnot. Um, again, just the main thing was the cost. Um, that there's really not much I can
No
much
problem.
more I can
No
say,
problem.
and it's not a matter of you know I guess like quality versus, well, I mean it is quality versus the cost. And again, the decision, I guess the decision will it'll be made based upon the quality, and then also the cost. Where's that middle ground, or is there a middle ground? um, so
Mhm.
so yeah.
So, if I may ask, is there a budget which you have worked out, or your client or the app owner has worked out about it, if at
So
all it is there?
the thing, and I've asked that question to Shantae, to ask to I can't even remember this guy's name. I think it's not Damien. Basically, the app holder, and I've asked her to ask him specifically what is a cost that you're willing, and there doesn't seem to be. I think in his mind he might have a range, but he has not disclosed that, and he hasn't disclosed that, and he hasn't
Okay.
disclosed that to her either. So yeah,
Okay, no problem at all, no problem. Generally, people do not divulge, and they really see, what people come up with the cost, and then they, based on the minimum one and the medium one, they would like to put in their budget. That okay, people are available for this much cost also to develop it. But at times, the quality comes for a cost, or for a
exactly.
price.
Yep.
So I don't say that my costs are on the very higher or very lower or whatever it is, but then I have been associated with not-for-profit and similar organizations for almost 12 years now,
Right.
and I know what type of focus one would like to do once, when this particular proposal scenario goes off, and then if we are selected and we start working, then it will be, I know, all those things that, what would be the expecting once it comes onto the delivery part of it, or the app part of it, right? So most of it, my peace of mind, I've tried to put it into the documents, but still there are many things which I will be discussing with you, that okay, this is something, can we because now we are going to be on the same side of the table, and maybe the app owner on the other side as the recipient of that. So we have to work on together, this project or any other project, that really doesn't matter. I would like to, because this is a very favorite subject to work on for minority businesses or not for profit organizations and all that. This we'll see. So what I'll do is I'll revisit the costing. I'll see how I can bifurcate it into various things, and then I'll share it with you.
Okay.
And let's see if God is with us, and He understands things.
All right.
We'll work on it.
All right. Well, I mean, I'm confident. I'm confident in what you'd be able to produce. Also, as I think the entire team is. But yeah, again, if you revisit kind of that cost structure and whatnot, and let's get back together and see if we can move forward with, because I'm tired of looking at. I'm ready to I'm ready to go on to the next thing myself, and this has been a little bit of a hang up.
Surely. So let me rework out it.
Okay.
And I'll share it with you in a day or two, definitely.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Right then. See you. Have a good day.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Weekend. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.